Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read kokono, or kyuu, in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means 9. It has 2 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like kyuu. On its own, it is usually kokono. A hook curling back on itself, almost a full 10, but stopping at 9. Now let's write it. 2 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Kugatsu, kugatsu means September. Kokonotsu, kokonotsu means 9 things. And kuji, kuji means 9 o'clock. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Chikara, read chikara, power. Maru, read maru, round. So that's kyuu, 9. 2 strokes, read kokono or kyuu. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.